this button is for on off. You have to just press this button and the machine will get on. Now press this menu key and go to the patient info by pressing this enter key. Again you have to click on the new record. Now go to the name from this downwards key, enter. Now fill in the name. Now enter. Now press this menu button. If you want to add sex, age, weight, then you have to enter in this option, and accordingly you can fill in the rest of all these features, all this column. To come out of this option, you have to just click onto this menu button. You have to do save all, because you have to save the new patient. Okay. Now just press on the menu button and come back to the main screen. This is patient cable connector. You have to just place this connector inside this given slot. Now, like all the other ECGs, this patient cable is also have 10 leads, 4 limb leads and 6 chest electrodes. This is left arm. Place the jelly over it on this side, and this clip electrode, as you clearly see, you have to place this electrode in this position. This is left leg. You have to place left leg like this, like all. Now you have to place rest of these electrodes. This is left leg. This side is right and this one is left leg. Now this is the left leg. Left arm. Now as you clearly see, this is left arm, this is left leg, this is right leg, and this is right arm. Now let's come to the chest part. There are 6 number of chest electrodes in this. You have to place. This is V1 electrode. You have to place V1 electrode to the right side of the chest. V2 electrode just in front of V1, but on the opposite direction, that is on the left side of the chest. V3 just below the V2. In this way, V4, V5 and V6. After placing all these electrodes, now come to the machine. As you can see, just open one electrode for me. When we open this electrode, you can clearly see that lead indication open is coming. When you again place this electrode, the lead open will go, and you have to wait for a while, like just 2 or 3 seconds to get wave settle down. Now after this, you have to just start the press button, and in this way the print will come.